Hola, soy Gabi. Hello, I am Gabi. Bienvenidos. Welcome to lesson 2. We will see some more greetings and moods and needs that you can use from day one. Let me select the presentation. Now, I will always add these little slides to remind you that if you are learning a language and if you have learned a language in a traditional way, usually it doesn't stick because the student is passive and the teachers also don't respond their questions. It is very important that you practice as much vocabulary as you can in your daily life because the things you do every day is what you will remember more easily. So, yeah, let's begin and try to speak what I teach you in this class in your daily life with your loved ones, your friends, or even to yourself in the mirror. It is super important. Now, if you remember the last class, we taught you, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Now, there are other ways to greet people depending the time of the day. Let's start with a little vocabulary word. Good is bueno. 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 So, as you can see, we can say good morning, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días, buenos días. That's especially annoying at 5 a.m. in the morning. I don't know, for school and stuff like that. Now you can say for good afternoon, buenas tardes, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. And I know these are formal, but they are very common. And especially if you're talking with a teacher, we assume that these days we have to do that. Maybe depending on the time of the day, you would say any of those words. Now, when you say good night to your family, you can say buenas noches, buenas noches, buenas noches. And this is a little cheat tip. I use it all the time because people love to correct you when you say good morning and they are like, no, it's already afternoon. I don't know if that has happened to you. So what I say sometimes because I don't have a watch and I am annoyed that they want to correct me all the time, I just say buenas. And they cannot correct me if it's morning, if it's afternoon, or even if it's night. I can just say buenas. And it's a very good way to greet people. It's slightly formal. You say this to strangers when you cross their path, but at the same time, you are acknowledging. Sorry, excuse me. You are acknowledging. How would you say that? You would acknowledge their presence, right? When you walk into a store and you greet the staff, you can say buenas. Or if you are more aware of what time it is, buenos días. Or buenas tardes. Or buenas noches. And you can already use these words from last class. We said, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Now, let's see other moods and needs, ways you can answer all these greetings. You can say, Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo hambre. Hambre. Tengo hambre. That's very common, right? Another need you may have, I am thirsty. Tengo sed. Tengo sed. Tengo sed. Let's go to another one. I am angry. In case that you are a man, you would say, estoy enojado. Estoy enojado. Estoy enojado. Estoy enojado. And in case you are a woman, you would say, estoy enojada. Estoy enojada. Estoy enojada. Yeah, that's a very distasteful feeling, right? But we all have it. Another one very common, especially in finals or with work. I am stressed. If you are a man, you can say, estoy estresado. Estresado. Estoy estresado. If you are a woman, you can say, estoy estresada. Estoy estresada. Estoy estresada. Sorry. The reason I pronounce this so much is because I am a native speaker of Spanish, so hopefully that helps you to get the correct pronunciation for these words and future ones. Remember, try using these words in a normal setting in your daily life. We will see much more vocabulary to help you. Okay? Repaso. We said what that word was, right? In the last class. Repaso. So let's greet you in the morning. Buenos días. Let's greet you in the afternoon. Buenas tardes. Let's greet you either on the evening or night, usually when it's dark. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. And if I ask you, hola, ¿cómo estás? You may say needs like, I am hungry, tengo hambre. Or I am thirsty, tengo sed. Then, for I am angry, if you're a woman, you would say, estoy enojada. If you are a man, you would say, estoy enojado. Now, if you're stressed, if you're a woman, you would say, estoy estresada. Estoy estresada. If you're a man, you would say, estoy estresado. Estoy estresado. You already know many ways to greet people, even people you cross paths with in the street or in a store or when getting on a bus. So yeah, this is it for this lesson. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. It's very important that you are active in your learning. And I will, as always, add the link of this presentation in the comments down below so you can use it any way you need to study more. Anyway, gracias. Adiós. Goodbye.